policy between our two countries. And we have been invited here in Shanghai to be part in a conference where we will support, and we are going to try to establish wonderful ties between China and our country on how we can support each other in terms of economic and social development. And when coming here from Malabo, I was insisting on meeting with you guys to see how this company can support our country in planning actually what I'm seeing here that is being done right now. And at the same time, I want to pass on to you the message from my president, to thank you for what China is doing for our country. And we have China as an example of what can be done, when the political focus is there and the intention is there to uplift people from poverty. China today is not the China that was 20 years ago. And we do admire a lot what China has achieved at world level. We really admire what China has done for its people. Because 20 years ago, China was, I would say, when you go to the West, China was being looked down, like being a poor country. But when you compare what has been done in 20 years from China, it's amazing. It's amazing. And we want to really tell you, good job. And we want to really imitate the same example from China to do the best for our people and to be, at the world stage. Even though we are a very small country, but we don't believe that there's no more country in the world. We are all equal, and we believe that Equatorial Guinea can also do the same, to replicate what China has done and to improve people's lives. So I thank you for welcoming us in your company, and I think we can start doing some good job together. I mean, that will benefit both countries and both people. So thank you.
好的，谢谢主席。我想我们可能应该有非常好的合作的。